So this is the shortcut method that everyone sees on YouTube, where you take the spring off the car without removing the top hats. When I dropped mine, my strut bearings actually separated into two pieces. They were done very neatly. I was able to just snap it back in, put it back on the car, and then I marked it just to indicate where they line up, just the way the factory ones come. And then here's some videos of the sounds I'm getting now. Okay, this is the driver's side. The yellow marks are factory on the bearing because they're shifted now because the springs don't end at the same point where the old coil was. So white is my new mark with the wheel centered. When I turn, you see how it separates a little bit. It makes that cracking noise. There you go. You can hear it on the other side sometimes too. Let's see if we hear the noise. No noises here, just came off the lift. I wish. It's not making any noises, but maybe it works a little better on the weight. I'm not sure, but first couple of miles I was hearing a little ticking. I thought it was something to do with the end links not being torqued down properly, but they're all tight.